So now you've completed a fully functioning contact form within Bootstrap using PHP. Now if you want to plug this contact form directly into your working site, then it will be a really easy task. All you need to do is copy this section of code here within the index file. Then you will simply paste that in wherever you want to position the contact form on the current site. Then you will simply copy and paste the styles into your current style sheet to get the same styles as the final form. Then the last thing you need to do is copy the PHP markup into your page that contains the form, and then just make sure that the page is hosted on a server and you change the extension to .php just to ensure that the markup is actually read correctly. So as you can see, the code you've created can be used either when creating a new website or landing page, or if you want to add it to an already existing page. So if you just recap on what you've completed during these lectures, you first downloaded and installed Bootstrap, either version 3 or 4, then installed the files onto a server. Then you worked on a live file and built a Bootstrap contact form from scratch using HTML. You then added a PHP markup to the page, including assigning variables and using if statements and values to assign different errors depending on what the user had missed from the form. You also learned how to assign an alert to the form to display to the user what they had done right or wrong by using if statements. You then added styles to the alerts with some default Bootstrap alert options from within the official documentation. And when that was all complete, you also added your own styles within the style sheet to give you your own look and feel. Again, always working with a live file on the server. So as you can see, you've completed a lot of complicated and fairly advanced code throughout the lecture, which has created a form that tells the user when they have made an error and also lets the user know when a message has been sent. Now you can actually build on these skills that you've learned and fit any contact form into any page or website that you create in the future. So I hope you've enjoyed the course and I hope you found it worthwhile. I know I've enjoyed creating these lectures, so if you have any feedback then please let me know. And if you have any questions or queries or would like to show off any of your forms, then please do so in the discussion forums. So thank you again for enrolling on the course and I hope to see you soon.